Hi my lovely viewers, this is Allied World Learning tutorial for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you build flowchart easily in Microsoft Word, pro tips and step-by-step guide. So for this case I will go to the Microsoft Word. So here this is. So here the smart art, here the hierarchical. This is lots of flowchart here. See, I will take this any kinds of thing I can take. See, this is the thing. So I can write here the 3 0 3 1 3 2. So you can write 4 here, uh, sorry, 3. So in this way we can create or expand here. See, or from this we can cut here, mark and as well as cut. See, also you can broken here, cut. See, so in this way we can add this thing. If you want to add, just copy. See, so in this way we just copy as well as paste. So here also copy, paste. See, so in this way we can do the thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.